Right, just walk it back down. Just walk it back down. So would you say it's quite pulley there?
Not here. Normally it's physically dragging up the street.
But is that a better? Is that a better walk for you now?
Yeah. This way, mate.
Just walk it back up again.
Oh, sorry. This way, mate.
Right, walk it back towards me a minute. So would if you ask him to sit now, would he sit for you on command?
Sit. Sit.
Now praise him. Now give him a good stroke there. Give him
Good boy.
reward by stroking him. Tell him he's a good lad.
Good lad. Good boy.
Does he like to play with a ball? Is he a ball?
he
He's
loves
got a favourite
balls.
ball. He's got a favourite.
Can you go grab his favourite ball for me? One of you grab his ball for me?
Yeah, it should be. Should be on the sofa.
So he loves to play with a ball, yeah?
Yeah, he's obsessed with balls. Good boy. Just going to get your ball, mate. It's a good boy. That's because he's seen a cat.
Right.